Microsoft SQL Server is a robust, secure, and scalable relational database system that powers modern businesses, providing reliable data storage, retrieval, and analysis. SQL Server supports T-SQL and ANSI SQL and works across on-premises and cloud environments via Microsoft Azure SQL. It integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft ecosystem, including Access, Excel, Power BI, .NET, and Power Apps, enabling end-to-end analytics and application solutions. Over 35 years, SQL Server has evolved through versions 1.0, 6.0, 7.0, 2000 through 2014, 2017 through 2022, and 2025. Expanding from simple relational databases to full-featured platforms supporting spatial data, analytics, AI, and hybrid cloud operations, WSI experts have worked with every major version, providing custom database design, performance tuning, legacy upgrades, Azure migration, stored procedures, triggers, and reporting integration. When off-the-shelf software falls short, WSI creates custom SQL Server solutions tailored to your workflows, delivering secure, scalable, and high-performance systems. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to build a new or optimize and modernize your existing SQL Server environment and unlock the full potential of your data.